Halo semuanya, terima kasih telah bergabung bersama Ibos Zone Channel. Kita akan memulai perjalanan yang menarik ke dunia animasi. Bayangkan sebuah dunia di mana membuat animasi bukan hanya lebih mudah, tetapi juga lebih kreatif, berkat platform canggih, Artflow AI.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ibos Zone Channel. I am excited to talk to you about an exciting new service, Artflow AI. This is a revolutionary platform for creating animations with the assistance of artificial intelligence, AI. Today, I will show how Artflow AI can help you produce animations more easily and quickly. Artflow AI is a website that leverages artificial intelligence technology to simplify the animation creation process, to provide an innovative tool for animators, both beginners and professionals, to save time and effort in the creative process. Artflow AI can quickly generate characters, backgrounds, and animation objects, saving creation time. The platform can automatically animate characters and objects, eliminating the need to draw each frame manually. Artflow AI can recommend suitable music and sound effects to enhance the animation experience. With a user-friendly interface, even beginners can easily create animations. Advantages of Artflow AI. It allows animators to focus on the creative aspects rather than routine tasks. Animations produced by Artflow AI are of exceptional quality. You can modify AI-generated characters and backgrounds to suit your preferences. We will showcase animation examples created using Artflow AI. Sign up and start using Artflow AI for your animation projects.
In the heart of the hidden forest, sunlight dances through the leaves, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors, beckoning Elara deeper into its enchanting embrace. Elara's eyes sparkle with curiosity as she navigates the forest floor, her eager steps guided by a sense of wonder that only a true wildlife enthusiast possesses. Amongst the vibrant flora, Thistle playfully pops out, greeting Elara with mischievous eyes and a secretive smile. As if conjured by the forest itself, Phelan appears, a wise and magical guardian, his antlers resonating with ancient secrets that only he can unveil. United in purpose, Elara, Thistle, and Phelan stride forward, their determination growing with every step, the weight of their mission propelling them through the forest's depths. At the heart of the mystical forest stands the Elder Tree, a testament to time's passage, the repository of wisdom and harmony, emanating a gentle presence that can be felt by all who draw near. The sorcerer, a sinister figure draped in darkness, approaches the elder tree with outstretched hands, his intentions malevolent, his gaze filled with a hunger for power. With hands intertwined and hearts alight with determination, Elara, Thistle, and Phelan form a circle, a formidable barrier against the encroaching darkness, channeling their unity into a surge of magical energy. Elara's keen mind, honed by years of studying wildlife, intertwines with Thistle's mischievous wit, resulting in a dance of quick thinking that leaves the sorcerer stumbling in their wake. The sorcerer, once consumed by darkness, now stands by Elara's side, his eyes reflecting a newfound understanding. The power of nature has touched him, revealing the error of his ways and kindling a fierce desire for redemption. Nature celebrates as harmony is restored. The air hums with life, and the forest blooms with vibrant colors of gratitude. Elara and Thistle stand as guardians, their presence ensuring the enduring preservation of this enchanted wilderness. Through her YouTube channel, Elara's voice reaches far and wide, invoking a symphony of appreciation for the natural world. Her words kindle a spark of passion in others, igniting a collective desire to safeguard the portals to these mystical realms.
With Artflow AI, animation creation becomes easier and faster than ever before. This platform combines artificial intelligence with your creativity to produce impressive works. Feel free to try it out and save your valuable time in the animation creation process. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Ning to mai tau.